Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online class, children. Class 6 Science. Food, where does it come from? Part 2 we are going to discuss. In previous class, we discussed about food and why we need a food. It gives energy to our body and grow and repair own out tissues. It helps us to stay healthy and protect our body from disease. And we saw about different types of food we are getting from animals and as well as plants. So maximum food we get from plants, and plants store their food in different various part, and we are taking as a food. This class we are going to discuss about how the plants take a food, eating habits of animals, herbivores, characteristics of herbivores, carnivores, characteristics of carnivores, omnivores, characteristics of omnivores, eating habit of animals. According to the food animals eat, we can classify it into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbie means plant, horse means eater, plant eating animals. Garni means meat, horse means eater, meat eating animals. Omni means all, plant as well as meat. Horse means eater. So this type of animals can eat both plants and meat. According to the food habit, animals classified into three types: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Let us see what is herbivores. Herbie means plant. They eat plant and plant materials. Herbivorous may eat leaves, fruits, roots, or even tree bark. They usually need to eat often during the day. Plants are not easy to digest, so they get energy from plants. These type of animals are known as herbivorous animals. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Latin name herba, and vegetation. It is meaning of vegetation. Horse means to eat. The special feature for the herbivorous animals are sharp cutting teeth at the front, flat, wide grinding teeth at the back. Because of these teeth, the animal can cut the grass and eat. Example for the herbivorous animals are cow, buffalo, deer, horse. A deer. These teeth and digestive system are developed to grind and digest the vegetable materials. Let us see some animals in a herbivores. Characteristics of herbivorous animals. Let us take cow and horse. What are the features? They have wide teeth at the back of their jaw to grind the plant material before it's swallowed. They have a wide teeth so that it cut the grass and take a rest. It goes to the stomach and bring back from the stomach to mouth and grain. Cows bring it back previously swallowed food to the mouth for chewing it thoroughly. This help them to absorb most of the nutrients. So by this process, this help them to absorb most of the nutrients. The next we are going to see about butterfly and hummingbirds. They have a special mouth parts that helps them to suck nectar from flowers. You can see in the picture. Squirrel snow the nuts with the help of the pair of front teeth. The next topic, garnios. Garni means meat and os means eater. They only eat meat. These animals are usually fairly large and they have to eat other animals in order to obtain enough energy. Some carnivores eat insects and bugs. Some eat small animals and some eats very big animal like buffalo and wolf. Let us see some examples. Tiger and lion are the carnivorous animals. Lion and tiger tear the flesh of the prey through sharp pointed teeth, and it is called it as canines. They have a sharp pointed teeth. By using the sharp pointed teeth can tear the flesh, and it has a sharp claws. The next one, eagle. Eagle hunt a small animal and eat them. They have a curved beak, pointed beaks that allow them to tear the flesh. And these birds have a sharp claws and very sharp high point so that it can absorb the prey wherever it is and come and catch very fast. And it has a curved beak and short claws. An owl either swallow its prey or tear it down into pieces before swallowing. Owl and snakes swallow their prey whole. It takes the prey as a whole, not it will not tear. The next one is frog. The frog have long sticky tongue and that help them to catch insects. See, the frogs are called it as amphibians. It can live on land, in water also. So it is called it as amphibians. It has a long, sticky tongue to catch the insects. That is the feature for frog. Shark. Shark eats smaller fish. They have several small teeth that help them cut into flesh of their prey. Will be in the ocean and it's take a small fish as a food and it has a small teeth inside so that it cut the prey and eat. Omnivores. They can eat both plant materials and meat. And this type of animals are known as omnivores. Crow. Choose the correct answer. Let us recap. Which of these animals have wide teeth at the back of their jaw to grind their food? Lion, it has sharp teeth. And crow, cows, sorry. Frogs, eagles. So, cow has a wide teeth to grind. Which of these animals swallow their prey whole? Butterfly, it has a small, special mouth part to suck the nectar. And tiger, sharp teeth. Snakes will swallow whole food. And Snake is the answer. Next. Which of these animals have sharp pointed teeth and sharp claws? Yeah, is lion. So it tear the flesh. Thank you, children. This class we discussed about eating habits of animals and various animals. What are the features we discussed? And uh, animals classified into three types: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. And different animals have the different features and digestive system to take a food. I hope you understand. Let us see next class. Thank you.